And to talk about preparing India for the 6G revolution, we have on stage Navika Kumar. Ma'am, over to you and the Honorable Minister.
Thank you very much. And ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you, and presenting to you Union Telecom and Minister for the Northeast Development, Jyotiraditya Scindia. Thank you very much for being with us on this very important occasion where we actually discuss the vision for India's economic growth. Mr. Scindia, I just want to say that the growth numbers extremely encouraging, especially in the new geopolitical situation where most countries are facing challenges. India has managed to maneuver its growth trajectory well. Yet there are some naysayers within our own country who feel everything is slowing down, manufacturing is declining, and the economy is virtually dead. How do you respond, and what is the correct interpretation of the India growth story?
So the first thing is, I believe that in life you must always be an optimist. I do not believe in the year 2025, especially in India, as she moves from her Amrit Kal to her Shatabdi Kal, as she moves from being the 11th largest economy in the world to the 4th largest economy in the world, and very soon the 3rd largest economy in the world. There is any mood or any space for pessimism. This is our moment. And as Prime Minister says, yahi samay hai, sahi samay hai, yahi Bharat ka samay hai. And it is for us all, not the Prime Minister alone, not the government alone, for us all as Indians to be able to rise and grasp that moment. And India across her length and breadth, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Bharuch to Tawang, is grasping that moment. India today is aspirational. All of us are. There's nothing that we cannot do. And that is the element that is powering India. From her villages, to her hills, to her deserts, to the financial capitals. And that's what's resulting in this 8.2% GDP growth rate. Over the last 10 years, you've had a CAGR, compounded annual growth rate, of over 6.5%. The world is growing at 2.1, 2.2% CAGR. We are growing at 3x of the world. We're a $4 trillion economy today. And mind you, if I may take that segue, Navika, whereas the world is growing at 2.1%, India is growing at 6.5% CAGR, 10-year decadal CAGR. My Northeast, our 8 states, are growing at a CAGR of not 2.1%, not 6.5%, 11 to 13% decadal growth rate CAGR. So for those who within our country, and for those who from within our country go internationally and on foreign soil talk our Ma Bharti down, there is no space for those people in the soul, heart or minds of 140 crore Indians. And that signal has been sent out to those people, not once, not twice, but thrice. But some people refuse to learn. And so the country moves on.
Well, but in 12 years or thereabouts of your government, it is but natural to find a little bit of fault, or is finding fault like Mr. Rahul Gandhi does anti-national?
No. So there is certainly, all of us are fallible. You cannot say no one makes mistakes. But as long as Jana Vishwas, as long as जनता का विश्वास, जनता का मन और भारत अग्रसर हो रहा है उस पथ पे. You have to be proud of the India that India has become. And mind you, Navika, we have still 22 years to go. And it is my belief as an Indian. That was not my belief, and I envy a lot of my younger friends who are today in college, university, starting out their new jobs, because it's a different India from when I was in college and university and starting out with my job. And I envy them, because this is an India full of potential. This is an India full of opportunity. This is an India which is a crucible for new ideas, for new innovations. And it is this environment which is going to power her onto the world stage in the years to come. And of course, there are ways that we can do better. But the tirade and the tone and the tenor and the content, whose only aim is to do two things: bring the image of our country down and seek only one thing, which is a chair.